Welcome to today's vlog. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much, and if you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more updates. So today I'll be taking you on a tour around the city of OWERRI. Let's see what OWERRI looks like in 2021. So today I won't be doing this alone. I have Toba with me that will be telling us the strategic points in OWERRI and the various junctions, because I'm not so familiar with town. So join us on this ride. Alright, we're starting the tour from Ireti, right? Ireti.
Yeah, this is Ireti.
Ireti. We're actually coming in from Onitsha Express actually.
So this is Ireti in OWERRI, a very good environment, you know, where houses are cheap, but properties as owners risk. I won't talk more about that.
Let's see how serene or how clean OWERRI is. Ireti. So this road now straight from Ireti is control.
It's control.
Okay.
The almighty control where you decide where you are going. Whether you are going to Aba, you are going to Okigwe, you are going to Harcourt. Choose your destiny from God.
I learned from control. You can go to any part of the world.
Anywhere. If you are going towards the west, you take this road. Harcourt, you have Aba, Okigwe, that is also Enugu.
Okay. So no problem. Let's see how it looks like. I've shown you guys a video of how Enugu looks like in 2021. So you guys can help me compare and contrast and see which city is more beautiful.
When it comes to that, I think OWERRI more better than Enugu. Anyway, we won't debate that, we won't argue that. You guys will compare yourself by the time we are done. OWERRI.
It's alright. So let the people decide what the result will be. We are still in Ireti.
We're still in Ireti.
Okay. But the Ireti is like an outskirt of town, no?
Yeah, it's an outskirt of town. Well, at least it's developing town. So.
But would there not be hold up at control?
But we've been checking it at this 2 to 3. I think we'll still be free. But around 5. People coming from Lagos, from Onitsha, there would be a lot of traffic congestion there. Okay, we are moving towards the status now. If you are familiar with OWERRI, you know that we're already there, we're already at the control.
Okay, we have entered control.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a popular statue at control.
Yeah.
Statue of what?
Mother of Jesus Christ.
Mother Mary.
Around 4 or 5, within that period of time, we can't be driving freely like this.
I remember the last time I came to OWERRI, they almost bashed my car at control. Oh, is this the control we are already?
So this is the control.
Yeah, this is the statue at control. This is control OWERRI. So let's go towards World Bank.
Okay, so we're moving towards World Bank.
Okay.
No, towards Harcourt Road, because this is World Bank.
Okay, this is World Bank.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Harcourt Road.
Yeah.
Will Harcourt Road link World Bank?
Yes, it links with World Bank.
Okay. Okay, let's drive Harcourt Road and see what it looks like. So we just passed control now, and they said from control where you can get bus to any part of the country. So now we're at Harcourt Road. Harcourt Road.
Harcourt Road.
Harcourt Road. So OWERRI Hotel Plaza. Is it still functioning?
Yeah, it's still functioning. OWERRI Hotel Plaza. We're moving towards Immaculate Hotel.
Yeah, Immaculate.
One of the best hotels in OWERRI.
Remember going back 2015, 2016, we lodged there.
So this is Immaculate Hotel.
are going to what bank now?
Yeah, so I'm going to what bank?
So what bank is it along Port Harcourt Express?
So there is a Central Bank.
Yeah, this is Central Bank along Port Harcourt Express.
As you can see.
So we would have used what bank to come out from? Port Harcourt Express.
Yeah.
Have we?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we can still go back to control. Then we can enter through Mederal so that we can go and view places like Concord.
Where we turn and find a turn to go back to Concord.
No. Then we can turn when we get to the end of this.
Okay, this is what bank now?
Yeah, this is what bank.
This road is what bank?
This road is what bank.
Okay. I think they're newly tied this road.
Yeah, but we know mostly we do pass through control.
Okay.
So that road is under construction, but some part of it like they finished some part of it, so maybe some touches.
Alright, so I said they should show me Concord Hotel. Let's see Concord Hotel before we go to Mimi's place. The almighty Mimi's place that is ever busy at night. Have you?
That place stay busy.
Maranatha suits.
This is a new OWERRI.
Okay, yeah, it's considered as new.
Yeah, it's considered as a new OWERRI. This Jokoma Memorial Library.
Memorial Library. It's quite big.
It's quite very big.
All here is usually very busy at night. If you don't come to this area at night, everywhere around here is busy at night. Very busy. Mimi's place is at the front now.
This Havana.
All season. They also have manure around here. This shop here, I think it works 24 hours. All season hotel.
Havana Cinema.
Okay, this one is Mimi's place. All here. Now we are where we have talking about that. All here is busy at night. If you come to OWERRI at night, just come to this area. It looks as if you are. Oh, they barricaded this place now.
Yeah.
It is to be open. But we stand inside and be selling stuffs at night. Yeah, that's manual. It's okay. So let's just show them Concord. In the evening, when you sleep, you will enjoy your sleep. So show them Concord Hotel before we take it to another location in the way. Almighty Concord Hotel. Straight right.
Yes, sir. Ever busy Concord. This is a road from Concord from New OWERRI.
Road. In fact,
yeah, it's a sign that you are going to Abia State.
Oh, it's not a sign I'm in IMO State, it's a sign of Abia.
It's a sign of Abia.
Okay. Well, how safe is this area at night?
This area is not fire sale at night. So here is like a junction for all those bad because people that are coming from New Owerri, so they don't take this. So if you pass this, you are at risk. Anything can happen. That one links to Stanford. So this is a warehouse. This is where they call warehouse in Owerri.
What's happening inside there? I can see a lot of crowd.
There is a warehouse.
Where are we going to? Left?
Yes, we are going right.
Right, rather.
So we're moving towards a government house and Bank Road.
Government house is in Bank Road.
Yes. So this is called Bank Road.
This road now is Bank Road.
Yeah, it's Bank Road, and it's also Okigwe Road. So here is a junction. So through this junction, you go towards Douglas. So we are moving straight. So this is a Bank Road, also Okigwe Road. This government house.
Okay, government house is here.
There's a lot of government house. So as I said, this is a Bank Road, also Okigwe Road. So you can see through the signpost, you can see the signs.
We are going straight.
Yeah, we're moving straight.
Traffic light again.
Yes, traffic lights. So this is that is a Rockville hotel.
Owerri with so much hotel.
So this is a government house junction. So this is a Mederal. This is Mederal Road. That's Mederal Road. So this is Okigwe Road. We are moving towards IMSU Junction as IMO State University. There's a former CBN building where they moved to the permanent site at Port Harcourt Road. This is IMSU Junction.
Okay.
So we're moving towards IMO State University.
So if my stay is located in IMO, I will give you guys a tour of IMSU. I'll give you guys a tour of IMSU. See how IMSU looks like.
So this is IMSU gate.
Entrance to IMSU.
This is IMSU gate. Jokoma.
Some years back when I visited Owerri, this road was very bad. Like it was terrible. I have a friend who stays down this road before. The road was terrible. When we came for our friend's wedding, the road was bad. Okay, we are trying to take an off route to where we are going to because around the junction up is very. What's the junction called?
Jokoma by MCC.
By MCC. Around is very terrible. So I told him I don't want to risk it. I wish I can go with my leg and video. That would have been fine. But by taking an off route, around the road is bad. So I don't want to risk driving it. Even the off route we are taking is not even too smooth, like you can see. That all of this road was fixed to that are scattered.
C Road.
Okay, we are entering MCC now. They have everyday supermarkets there at MCC Road.
then a Dick Tiger heading to ShopRite. The Dick Tiger that Buhari came to commission the flood control balloon.
So they're not suffering flood again here.
But they said they've not connected it to Mary something to the Mary River. But they just have to commission it.
But the gutters are a bit deep anyway.
Only this place. Only this place.
So if it rains, it's...
No, people, if it's rains, people they're no longer experiencing flood again compared to people living as a nasty, naked area. Those people are still suffering from this So there's a flood control balloon. This way Buhari came to commission. As you can see. So we're heading to ShopRite now. Here's the ShopRite. You can go.
ShopRite is along which road?
Along this is about Igbo Road. That's as if you are heading to Umaya.
Okay, straight down
straight
this one here. Is that traffic light? Is it working?
That one, it's not working. So we're moving towards fire service now. Or rather, we call it Relief Junction. So we're heading to Relief Junction now. It's another place where if you are no place you are going to.
Okay, so there are a lot of parks at
a lot of parks at Relief Junction. Make sure any place you are going to in this world. Whether it's China. So it's in Relief Junction. We have a lot of parks, Libra.
Are we going straight?
Yes, we're going straight. God is good. So we're heading to fire service now. It's fire service.
Fire service. Are we keeping straight?
There's a fire service. This is Mederal Road. This is the stadium. This is OWERRI Stadium.
We have stadium.
Yeah.
But it must be a mini stadium.
OWERRI International Stadium. Arlin is the home of Atlant of OWERRI.
Bye. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me on this ride. Hope you find this video interesting and informative. And please, if you have not by now, click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And if you live in OWERRI, kindly rep your location by commenting where you stay in OWERRI. I'll catch you in our next video. Bye.